We all sneeze here. Huh? Yeah. Sneezing. But I'm like one thing throughout this pandemic. That we sneeze differently. Have you noticed? When I say we sneeze differently, I'm talking about the projection of our sneezing. There are those who sneeze like they don't want to sneeze, but they sneeze. Like, just ends there. It's like, what cut is this? And then especially ladies, there are those ladies who sneeze like they want to keep the virus to themselves. And then there's another category which doesn't care. They want to share the virus. Like, if you notice how they are, when they're sneezing, it's like they sum up everything in their body for that one blow. One. Even when they're walking, they have to go. Imagine on your wedding day. I now pronounce you as. The reason I'm talking about sneezing is because of my grandfather. My grandfather inspired me to understand the very fact that we sneeze differently. If he was here and he sneezes, you would think two people have sneezed at the same time. It's like my grandfather sneezing, he's making a vow. He's sneezing for richer and for poor. He's sneezing for today and for tomorrow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is not a joke, this is reality. I'll show you how my grandfather sneezes. He'll be walking around his house, calling my uncle. What? What is? What is? He never pretended. He did this! What? That is what? Why you? He did this! I was like, take it easy. Like, sneeze once, give it a chance. That's my grandfather, you love me. Very painful.